Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review and demo of Diane Heated Gel Cap from Marlobeauty. If you would like to hear my thoughts on this product, then please keep watching. Okay, so I was making a purchase on Marlobeauty. I bought a couple of items and I wanted to get free shipping, so I decided to add the heated gel caps because I've never given it a try before. As you can see here, some of the claims they make. It's perfect for regular deep conditioning, hot oil or keratin treatments, heats up in the microwave, elastic band fits most, and it's the color is in black. This order was placed on the 14th, and as you can see here, I got it on the 18th, so that's 4 days before delivery. Okay, so right here I'm just preparing to show you how I actually use the cap. It's about time for a shampoo and a condition, so that's what I'm showing you what my hair looks like now. I wet my hair and I typically use a conditioner as a detangler because I feel like if I shampoo my hair and I go to just swishing the hair all about and everything, and then the dryness of the shampoo and the dryness of the fact that I hadn't moisturized my hair in a while, I might create tangles and locks. So what I do is I use the conditioner to I guess pre-poo, because you know everybody was using the coconut oil and everything, and I found this to be a little bit easier because this particular conditioner by Herbal Essence is pretty detangling. So like I said, right now I'm just taking my hair. It's only been dampened. I hadn't shampooed it yet, and I'm just going to take it and resection it after I finish making sure I comb through it and taking out all that shed hair, because I wash my hair like once a week and stuff. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like now, and on to the next step, which is shampooing. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so I'm going in with my Suave clarifying shampoo. And I'm like, as you can see here, I'm trying to only get in on the roots because I don't want to get to the ends, because it's just going to dry my ends out and make my hair break off and dry and stuff like that. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'm going to work this through, and I'll come back and we'll talk about the rest. Okay, so what I did after I used the shampoo, I rinsed that out and I went in with my second shampoo, which is this here, Aussie Miracle Curls. I've never tried it before, and it says it's for curly hair, so I would assume that it's very moisturizing and not very drying, because normally curly hair is dry. So like I did before, I went in with my clarifying shampoo. I did the same thing. I'm trying to pretty much concentrating on shampooing my roots and my scalp to make sure it's nice and clean, and then I'm going to rinse that out, and we're going on to the next step. Okay, so right here, I'm just preparing my deep conditioning treatment. I have my little cholesterol here. I have a little bit of Creme of Nature conditioner, a little bit of oil, a little bit more of that conditioner I used at the beginning, and a little bit of coconut oil, something new, giving it a nice whip. I like my consistency kind of thin, because if it's too thick, I can barely get it through my strands, which is why I use all of these things instead of just putting it on the deep conditioner, that thick green one. I have a link. I have a list of the items that I use in the description down below, because I feel like it's too thick and it only coats one side of the hair, so I have to like make it more liquidy. Anyway, so I've shampooed my hair twice. Well, I'm sorry. I first, while my hair was really dry, I wet it and I put conditioner in it. The Herbal Essence Hello Hydration, and then I shampooed it 2 times, one with a clarifying shampoo and one with a curling enhancing shampoo to restore the moisture. I've never used that particular shampoo, the Aussie brand, before. I was just trying it for the first time, but yeah, that's what I did. And then now I'm going in with my deep conditioning treatment, because I'm going to use the heated gel cap after I microwave it. So I'm detangling my hair again, getting any more shed hair out at the same time, while at the same time keep my hair braided so it won't retangle and retangle. So that's what you see me doing here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now on to the heated gel cap. I put a plastic cap so I don't ruin the inside As you can see, I'm showing you the box and what everything looks like as far as everything is concerned. I'm going to take it out the box. I'm going to take a look at it and see how it's packaged. So if you were to purchase one, you'll know exactly what to expect. So right now I'm just trying to find the opening so that I can take it out. And I'm trying to show you what it looks like. It's pretty weighty or heavy or whatever, which I was surprised because I thought it would be a lot lighter and kind of cheap feeling, I guess. But yeah, that's what you see me doing here, just showing you the inside and the outside. And now that I've heated it in the microwave, that's why I was feeling if it was too hot, for 1 minute, just like the directions said. I'm putting the cap on and I'm feeling it because it feels like it actually might work. So just giving you a 360, you can take a look what that looks like. Okay, now on to my thoughts. I think it's a pretty good cap, but it's not for me. I need a little bit more heat so I can get better penetration. Of course, I have no scientific study on this or anything, but I feel like I could have used a little bit more heat. If you were to do something like this, I would suggest using a hot towel and using a processing cap over the top of it. I think I might be doing a video about that just to show you how I do it. But back to the matter at hand, me personally, I don't think this was a good purchase. I could have saved my $14–15 for something else that was a little bit more useful. What I mean is I want to feel that my hair is actually warm once I finish taking the conditioner off. That's what I normally do when I'm sitting the dryer with a plastic cap on or stuff like that. But I felt also I would like to say that the cap it was a bit snug on my head, and it actually after so long it started to hurt, so I had to take it off. I'm talking about the band that holds the cap together, so I didn't pretty much like that very much. So yeah, in a nutshell, I wouldn't recommend it, but as far as the one I have now, I might use it occasionally if I'm not feeling too well or something, maybe, I don't know, but I don't think it's a very good option. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.